Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series where we have to solve questions on less than 500 difficulty rating, which is where we have solved four questions, and now we have to solve fifth question, which is saving taxes. So let's understand this example question. In a chefland, everyone earns strictly more than Y rupees per year has to pay tax to the chef. So in a chefland, if a person earn more than strictly greater means more than Y rupees, then they have to pay some taxes to the government. Okay, government means a chef. Chef has allotted a special scheme where you can invest any amount of money and claim exception for it. So the chef also launch a scheme where you can invest amount of money and claim exception of it. Means you don't have to pay the taxes. Instead of this, you can save it in a bank. Okay, and if you earn x and x is greater than y in this year, then find the minimum amount of money that you have to invest so that you not have to pay the taxes. Means let's take an example. X is an amount that you earn and y is the amount on which the government has increased the taxes. Okay, so let's suppose you earn 1200 rupees, and if the amount is more than 1000, then you just have to pay the taxes. Okay, so you can see that x is greater than y, so you have to pay the tax. Okay, so you have to pay the tax. So how much so you just decided to save this money instead of paying the tax. So how much money you have to save? So you just have to do the minus 1200 minus 1000, which is 200. So you just have to save 200 so that such that you don't have to pay any taxes to the government. Okay, so z is the amount that you don't have to pay. Okay, so 200 rupees is the amount that you don't have to pay. Okay, so here is given an first line of single integer denoting the number of test cases. First you have given a number of test cases. Okay, and the second line, the second line consists of x and y, which is x is the amount of earn that you earn and y is the money that after that you just have to pay the taxes to the government. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to take the first you have to create int t, which is number of test case. Okay, and then take input t. Okay, and then while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x comma y, which is the amount c in x comma y. Okay, and then you just have to do cout x minus y and enter. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.